Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know who this is from. Well, I mean, it says on the box, and I have an idea of what's inside, but I also have absolutely no idea what's inside. This was sent by Boost Blades. You guys are probably familiar with the Smoke model. I will make sure that Boost Blades are linked right down below so you can check them out whether you are new or not, right? Definitely worth checking out either way. Thanks so much to Boost Blades for sending this in. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and find out what we got going on in here. I'm actually... I'm excited, but I honestly have no idea what to expect. Okay, so... Okay, there's the thing there. Do we have... Oh, no, yeah. I gotta keep digging in here. There's something else. Oh, cool. Okay. Arrow number 50. Okay, June 2022. 95V tie. I don't know what that means. 60 to 61, CPM 154. That's cool because that's my favorite steel of all time. So I feel like this is legit. Like, he told me he was sending something custom. Cool. He asked me, he said, what do you like for colors? And I said green. Ooh, that's sick. I love green Anno. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on now. Wait a minute. Is this... This is like a full... This is like a full custom? Holy crap. Dude. The action on such a thin blade. Hold on. Let me get it right past there. It's wanting to fall shut. God, I think I had my finger on the lock bar. Let's hold up here by the pivot. Yeah. Oh, it's so close. Can you get in there and reverse flick it too? Yeah. Boy, what a beautiful knife. Holy moly, man. Look at that finish. That is gorgeous. A nice high reflectivity. My camera's freaking out, not able to properly focus. High reflectivity, but still, I think just a very light tumbling in there. That is gorgeous. Look at that pivot. Very beautiful. Also, the texturing on the titanium. And then we've got titanium pivot collar / over travel stop. Titanium pocket clip. Yeah, I think this is kind of a special one. When he said something custom, I just assumed that it was a Boost Blade Smoke with like some custom work to it. But this is freaking gorgeous. This is awesome. Oh, man. I don't know why I'm a sucker for green Anno. You guys want some close-ups? Shut up. Of course you want close-ups. Don't even answer that. I'm going to give you some close-ups. Hang on. Let's get some. Let me get all my nasty fingerprints. I just ate lunch. Let me get all that off there. We're going to take a nice look at that. Nice look at that edge. That high reflectivity, high polish, right? Let's take a look at that Anno and that pivot. Oh, boy. Yeah. This is what you subscribe for, right? This is what you're here for. I did not know that he did stuff like this. I got to be honest. I thought that it was a design, you know, I'm just used to the Smoke model. So I'm going to make sure, I want you guys to make sure and follow Boost Blades, which is oh, you probably saw it right there. That's where you're going to want to go. Made in the USA. This is an actual custom. I'm going to ask you guys to go ahead and follow Boost Blades on Instagram and make sure you check out their website. Actually, they have here, sorry. They've got Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Facebook? What is that? Anyways, very cool. Let's continue here. Boy, that is just quite marvelous. This is the perfect green Anno. I just really, I'm getting my fingerprints off of that. That'll change the tint of it a little bit, but I just really like green Anno. Look at this nice T8 pivot there. Frag pattern backspacer. The mount on that pocket clip right there, that's just gorgeous. So beautiful. And then probably hidden screw underneath there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is cool. I can't believe how smooth it is and how readily it wants to drop shut for being such a teeny tiny, well, it's such a thin blade, right? What's the overall? Let's do, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. Oh man, I can't wait to carry this. 7.5 inches, and the blade length is 3.25 with about 3 1/8 of cutting edge. You know what's crazy? We got a little choke up position right here too. Normally, I am not the biggest fan of thin blades, and here's why. Because they are harder to flip. They are generally less comfortable to get a, like a full purchase on. And they just don't really seem to function the same way, like all of the internals don't seem to quite agree with each other the same way as on a full-size knife. However, this particular knife seems to be breaking all of those rules in a really satisfying way. Is there a slight detent ramp? I can't tell. It's real light right there, but hold on. Oh, I missed the flipper tab. Hold on, let's try again. Hang on. Bear with me. Is it? Yeah, no double clutch either. I want to try and bear down, because this is a hard exposed lock bar to avoid. I'm going to bear down on it. Okay, it doesn't seem to care. Let's try it this way, where I can put my thumb on it. Yeah, it's still going. Okay. Well, that's kind of nice. It's going to flip either way. Gosh, that is just gorgeous. Look at that pivot. So nice. Okay. So, I don't know that there's a whole lot more. If there's anything else I wanted to check, I will definitely review this. This, again, this is the Arrow, and it is number 50. It was born in June, and 60 to 61 Rockwell CPM 154, which is really cool. That is just super cool, man. I do not know what his pricing is. I don't know what his availability is, but I can tell you my first impressions on this guy are very, very good. You know what? I do want to do one more thing. My legs are sore. I want to cut some paper with it. I'm looking at the blade stock and thinking, by the way, it's nicely chamfered, right? I'm thinking, let's just look at it up against the rat. Yeah, it's about the same blade stock thickness as the rat. So, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not really having any trouble slicing. Golly. This freaking awesome. I'm happy with this. This is cool. As somebody who traditionally likes larger, more robust knives, it's always nice to be pleasantly surprised by something that is outside of your natural parameters of enjoyment, right? What a long-winded way to say, I like this more than I thought I would. Very cool. Thanks so much to Mr. William Boos for sending this in. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram. There will absolutely be a full review on this because I did not know that this existed. So I can't wait to give this some pocket time, carry it and just experience it, and then report for you guys like I usually do. Like I said, links for the Boost Blades Smoke and other Boost Blades production knives will be included in the description, so check them out if you're not familiar with those. Make sure you follow Boost Blades on Instagram and their other social media. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing and first impressions. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.